guys, all of you, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you some self-defense techniques that are really helpful for your daily life and during any critical situation. And these kicks will be on distraction kick, and for this your enemy will distracted by your kick, and also you can kick the enemy very easily. So let's see the video, not delaying anymore. Let's get started. So today's first technique is jumping mousegiri, and the jump will be a distraction of the enemy, and that will distract the enemy that what I am trying to do. Okay, so let's see. So first you need to jump from your front leg, and then you will kick from your back leg, or otherwise you can jump with your back leg and then kick with your front leg. Okay, and see, first you need to jump with your front leg and then kick like this. Okay, see, one. First I have jumped with my front leg, and that will help me that enemy will distracted from which leg I am going to kick him or the enemy. And then first this, and then I have done one mousegiri, and the mousegiri will be the real kick that will hurt the enemy. Okay, see again, first jump, then kick. Okay, it is a technique and it is really easy, and there is nothing to see more. And in another leg, let's see, first jump with one leg and then one kick, or otherwise you can do this kick if you can't jump, and then you can only do one. First pull your front leg up, then one kick. Okay, like this. Okay, and if you do the jump, then see. Okay, it is a distraction kick that will help the your enemy to distracted with your kick, that he will confuse what you are going to do or from which leg you are going to kick him. Okay, and there is nothing to tell about in this technique, and you need to do the jump very properly, and otherwise the kick is very good, and you need to practice for this technique. Okay, otherwise the technique is simple. So now there is nothing to tell about. So now the second technique, that is also on the distraction kick, and this will be a combination of punch and kick. See, first I will confuse the enemy with my punch, that he will confuse what I am going to do. First he will think that I am going to do punch on him, like one, or you can simply do one single punch, or I think it's better to do double punch. Okay, and you also need to go in front of the enemy and come closer to the enemy. Okay, see, then one maigiri on the enemy's chin. It will be better for kick on the enemy's chin, that will harm the enemy more. You can see, first two punches, one, then again two. They both will distract the enemy, and then one maigiri on the enemy's chin. And I have chosen maigiri for this technique, that maigiri is a short distance kick, that from if you at first you are here, and your enemy will be 2 hands far than you, and at that time you have come closer by doing two punches, and now your enemy has come here. Okay, means half hand distance, and now from here you can't do any mousegiri, hook kick, side kick. This will be very much critical, and it's not, and you can't do this technique in this kick, in this combination. So it's better to do one maigiri, because you can pull your kick in half hand distance also. See, in half hand distance I can take my leg here, and then one kick, and on the chin, on the chest. Okay, and you can see in this leg, one count, 1 2 punch, and then one kick on the enemy's chin. Okay, again see. Okay, and you need to remember that when you are doing the maigiri, then you don't do this type of kick. Okay, you need to kick with your heel on the enemy's chin. Okay, so there is also nothing more, but you need to do all these techniques which I have shown you in right time and in right position. Otherwise all these techniques will be a fail for you. Okay, so there is nothing to tell about. So now the third technique, that is uh, back turning side kick. And all of you have I have shown all of you what is turning kick or turning hook kick, and that is like this. But today I am going to see you some turning side kick, and it is the combination of turning kick and the side kick. Okay, and see, first see, then I will explain you in fighting person first, then one turning side kick. Okay, and you can see in this leg, one count, then on the side kick on enemy's face or on the enemy's chest. You can do this technique on anywhere of the enemy. And in this technique, first I have to do a turn and then kick, and that kick is side kick, and the enemy will think that I am going to do a turning kick on the enemy. And see, if I do this turning kick, enemy then my enemy can recognize what I am, or guess what I can do on him. Okay, so if you do a kick on the enemy's chest, okay, then he will distracted from this. And also you can do this technique on the enemy's knee. Okay, you can see, if I am do this technique on enemy's knee, this will be this. And if you do this technique on the enemy's knee very hard, then you can break the enemy's leg. It is a good technique, but you need to do a very much practice for that. Okay, otherwise that technique is very much simple. There is nothing. First you turn and then one side. Okay, but you need to do this technique very fast, otherwise you can't do this technique. And you can do this technique, but the enemy can recognize this technique. Okay, so it will be better to do this very fast. Okay, and there is nothing to tell about this technique. So now the third technique, and third technique is not that much hard, and that is also like in fighting position. Then one turning, one turn, and then one kick on the enemy's face. But all of you think that I have shown this turning side kick, but it's not like that. See, in fighting position, then one turn, and then touch the ground, and then one kick. Okay, and see, if your enemy have come very much closer than to you, then in think that the enemy have come here, and at that time, if you do this technique, it will be really very hard for the enemy. And see, if from there, if I do a side kick, then my enemy can guess what kick I am going to do, and he will go back far away from you. Okay, it's a very good reflex action, and it's a reflex action for everyone, that if I am going to do this technique on the enemy, then the enemy will go far away. But if I do here, if I stand here and then kick with this leg, then the enemy can't guess what I am going to do, because he will see that I am touching the ground, but he can't guess the technique. Okay, see here, in, okay, on the enemy's chin. Okay, you can see one count, and the kick must be fold and hit. Okay, see here, first touch, then up your leg, then kick on the enemy's chin. You can see I have fold my leg, then kick, fold my leg, then kick. Okay, and the more you do this stretching, the more this kick will be better. And you can see in another leg here, then one count. Okay, and I think this kick is not that much hard, so there is nothing to tell about all the technique I have shown. So, and you can do this technique very easily, but you need to practice. Okay, so there is nothing to tell about. So from the first, what we have done in this video, first we have done one jumping Mausegiri, see, one. Okay, in another leg, see, one count. Okay, and this kick you can, if you do this kick on the enemy's face, then one count. Okay, and in another leg. Okay, it is the first technique. And the second technique we have done, that is first two punch, 1 2, then one my game. Okay, see, okay, and in another leg, see, it is the technique. And all the technique you need to do very fast. See, again I am saying this technique. See, one. Okay, and the third technique we have done, that is simple, very much simple, turning side kick. Okay, in another leg, see, okay, and this kick is very much simple. And now the fourth technique we have done, that is turn, then one kick on the one side kick on the enemy's face. Okay, you can see one count. Okay, and in another leg, see, turn, then one kick. Okay, see, you can see this technique, one count, first down and then one kick. Okay, first down and then one kick. Okay, now see in first one. Okay, and in another leg, see. Okay, these are all the technique we have done in this technique, and all the technique need to do very fast, otherwise the technique are very much easy. So there is nothing to tell about in this video. So now, thanks for watching my video. Bye guys for this time. See you in the next video.